Hey, bonjour, bitches! It's Vic the Voyager here to tell you about boat tours in Voyageurs National Park with Voyageurs Outfitters. I've been traveling the lakes for a very long time, and even I still get lost. It's best to have an experienced captain to show you around so you can relax and enjoy the scenery. Do you have an interest in exploring Rainy Lake? We at Voyageurs Outfitters are here to help. Because we are passionate about sharing the experience of Rainy Lake and Voyageurs National Park, we accommodate for persons of all abilities with wheelchair-accessible boats. The Yellow Jacket comfortably seats 6 and offers a more fast-paced adventure for those eager to see many parts of the lake. For those seeking a slower pace, we offer trips by sailboat. Our pontoon boat is also available and perfect for groups. Come aboard with us anytime, May through October. Appointment is necessary, and our website offers a list of available tours. Allow Voyageurs Outfitters the opportunity to shape your upcoming vacation this summer. We would love to take you on board. Call 218-244-6506 or visit www.voyageursoutfitters.com to book your tour. Your adventure is out there!